So for today's recipe, I saw this on my friend Melissa Thompson's Instagram page quite a few weeks ago, and I've been eyeing it so much. Her Instagram is Foul Mouths Food. You can check it out. I will leave a link in the description box, and it's her curry fried chicken. Oh, it sounds so amazing, and it sounds really simple. So let's get cooking and watch till the end, because I am going to use up this marinade for something crunchy. I have got here a nice big piece of ginger and 3 to 4 nice chunky garlic cloves, and I'm going to finely chop, or you can grate it as well. So here I have got a few leaves of thyme, fresh thyme, just plucked it from the garden, 200 ml of coconut milk, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, just a little less than half teaspoon of salt, also all the ginger and garlic that I chopped up finely, lots of it for lovely flavor. Now I need a teaspoon of allspice, which I haven't got, so I'm going to use 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, if it comes out of the jar. Plenty, and then just a good mix. So allspice is like a small berry, but I haven't got that spice at the moment, which is why I've used the other 3 ground spices. So that's our marinade ready for the chicken. So for the chicken, I am using chicken thighs. So I have got here 4 chicken thighs, and I'm just going to cut it into 3 strips each. So we have got our chicken chopped up here. We've got our marinade. The chicken goes in. Oh, not the knife. And all I'm going to do is coat it very, very well. Smells really good. And I'm going to cover and put it in the fridge for 4 to 5 hours, or you could do it overnight, but I'm just going to do it for a couple of hours. For the coating, I have got here 100 grams of potato starch. If you don't have this, you can use plain flour. And I've got 70 grams of fine cornmeal. Just gonna add all the spices. So 3/4 spoon of ground cumin, 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric, just a good pinch, or not even half a teaspoon, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and a good sprinkling of black pepper. Just mix it, and also 3/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, and then just mix. So we have got our marinated chicken sat here for 2 hours, not sat here but in the fridge otherwise, and here is the coating ready. So I am going to, so good, that ginger and garlic is hitting me so well. I'm going to take each piece out. I don't want to lose any marinade. That's it here. And this goes all the way on our, and I'm just going to use this hand and coat it really well. The key is to coat every corner of this. That's all really nicely done, and then it sits on a plate for 5 minutes. So I'm going to repeat the same. Oops, used the wrong hand. Repeat the same with all of these chicken pieces. Right, I have not planned this, but I have got, some marinade left and some of the flour coating left. So I thought I'm not going to waste any of this because this is good stuff, isn't it? So I've got this large onion and I have peeled it, and what I'm going to do is just cut it into wedges. It's just an experiment. It might work, it might not work, but I think it will work. So I'm just going to cut it in wedges. And I'm going to dip these veggies into the marinade. There you go. And then they will go into the flour coating. And let's hope that this works really well. And not only does this mean that I'm not going to waste either of these things, it also means I get extra crunchy snacks. I absolutely love onions, garlic, and in my opinion there could never be too much onion or too much garlic. So this with the garlic coating, oh my god, I'm so excited about this. So excited. Started really well, doing this hand for marinade, this hand for flour. Well, I've lost track, and it's all mixed up anyways now. So while I'm doing this, I have put in some sunflower oil in a kadhai or a pan, and I'm going to heat it up till it's nice and hot, but not too hot, so medium hot, which is around 150°C. So I have got it at around 160, which is a little bit high. So I've reduced the heat to absolutely minimum, and I'm just going to put the chicken pieces in, a few at a time, and just cook for around 2 to 3 minutes until they are lightly golden. That is looking perfect. I'm going to do 5 pieces. Can fix 5 pieces in. So that's it. I have used up every last drop of the marinade. By chance my onion was the perfect size, and I'm just going to drop it in the flour thing. Just going to toss it, whatever it can get. And that's it, just fry it all up. So I have put a timer of 4 minutes, and I'm just turning it over once. And once the 4 minutes goes off, I will take it out. Because the batter has got turmeric and the flour has got turmeric, the oil has become all yellow. It's been 4 minutes. I'm just taking this out, and I put it on a cooling rack so that the oil can drip and go down. And then I'm going to continue and fry the next lot. And actually I'm going to put it in an order, so when I'm doing the next fry, I can do it in the order I fried the first one in. So there they are after the first fry. Someone at the door. So I have got the last batch out now. And like you can see, I have put it in kind of layers. So I'm going to do the second round of frying, but I'm going to do it in the order I fried the first leg. Now we need the oil hot, like hot, not 150, but 180. Because we want that crispness, we want that lovely color. So we want it piping hot, and this time we're going to fry it for a couple of minutes. And that should give us a lovely color. So that's done, and in goes the chicken for second round of frying. Look at that color of the oil, it's yellow. Right, the last lot is still frying, but I have no patience left, guys. No patience, because they smell incredible. Oh my god. If you could just hear. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh my goodness. Can you hear that? Oh, oh my god. I love fried chicken, but this, oh, sorry, this is so good. The flavors. It puts plain fried chicken to shame. Oh my god. Please try this and don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to try the onion. It's just the chicken inside is moist. The crispness is beyond crispy. Can you even hear it? That crispy is beautiful. Oh, the onion. Look at the soft onion and the crispy outside. This is going to be boiling hot. I actually cannot eat it. This is steaming hot. It is actually steaming and it's hot. Onion has softened up properly. It's not crunchy. And it's soaked up. You can see that the onion has gone all yellow because it's soaked up all the spices, and boy does it taste good. Absolutely gorgeous.